Good morning, guys. Welcome to Hotel Rin Tokyo. This place is absolutely incredible. The attention to detail, the aesthetic of it all is just gorgeous. We just had an amazing breakfast. They took our order before coming here and I ordered a bento box for breakfast. Paul got some pastries. There is so much to see around here as well. There's temples that are just 5-minute walk away. You have a brand new mall that opened. We explored that yesterday. It has been such a nice stay. I have been loving Japan. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Japan series, but I think I'm going to just enjoy this space for a little bit longer, so I'll talk to you later. We have finally made it to Kamakura. I am really excited to be here, be outside of the hustle and bustle of the city. And it was a short, I would say, like hour train ride to get here. And it just feels already so good to be surrounded by nature, and it is just so beautiful during the fall season, all of the different colors of the foliage, and I just cannot wait to explore this town. It's a seaside town, and I think it's just going to be a perfect day today to explore little side streets like this one with my husband and just get lost. We just got out of Hokokuji and I was moved to tears right when I entered. I just couldn't stop crying. It is so beautiful and I just feel so privileged to be able to travel to countries like Japan and just be immersed in a different culture and just the way they care for their country, how clean it is, the gardens, just how immaculate everything is. I was just overwhelmed by all the beauty and I guess just feeling really, really blessed. And so I'm so grateful that I get chances like this to travel and and share it with you guys. I hope you can feel all the joy through these videos that Paul and I create. And I'm just so happy. For sure, this topped everything so far that I've visited. And it's so funny because each day I just get different feelings, emotions, and yesterday was pretty overwhelming. We didn't shoot, we went to Shibuya, and I honestly didn't like that day. I was just stressed out because it was so busy, but this was much needed, good reset, and it's early in the morning and we have so much more to explore today, so let's get going.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
We have not had any bad food since we've got here, and I've been looking for the mochi. I finally found it on like this street that was crazy busy. So we just got the dessert and came out here to the side streets. Definitely much more our pace. I am very excited to finally have this again. It's perfect, and the lunch we just had was amazing. The interaction with the owner, he was so kind. Paul was practicing his Japanese, and it was just, I think, one of the best experiences we've had with interaction-wise, and delicious food. But today has just been amazing. We're supposed to go to another area as well a little later, so I don't know if we're gonna do all of the temples because Paul has seen them, and to be honest, I'm actually kind of okay doing side streets and just getting lost since there's a lot of people.
Our souls. Lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Stop the clocks, the bees are humming. In between the contrasts of our soul. Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matter, let it in.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Oh.
Winter's here.
Always reverse. It's nice because this doubles as a hand warmer. They do sell those hand warmers though, like in 7-Eleven and Family Mart and Lawson's, but
Yeah, nothing more magical than just getting a
Yeah.
hot drink out of a vending machine in Japan.
and surrounded by trees, my favorite.
My favorite kinds of vending machines are either the ones that are in nature like this, or the ones that you can find sometimes like in very like little streets and back streets, and you would not expect to find. Those are the best. Usually they're also cheap.
This is the path to the observatory, and there's just stairs that go straight up, and they have the signs for the monkey, like to be aware of
Be
the
careful.
monkeys. But that might be really cool, and no one's going that way. But we should go see the falls first.
I think so.
What are you doing?
I'm searching for names. What?
Tell them why.
Because if we get a dog and we can agree on getting a Shiba, I want it to be a boy, and I want to give him a Japanese name.
Of course,
Like-
only adopting though.
Kosuke, Kentaro, Ryoichi. Ryoichi? Ryoichi. You're not ready. Turn the corner.
The colors. We never get to experience colors like this.
It's insane.
Neither in Los Angeles or in Provence. Ooh. Looks like a Christmas tree with balls, and then it looks like garland. What do you
Oh,
call
yeah.
those balls? What do you call those in English? Christmas decorations?
Yeah?
Christmas balls?
Ornaments?
Ornaments. Thank you.
So that right here that I can't focus on is the spider web. The leaves caught on it.
We made it to the falls finally. And surprisingly, with how many people are here, you still have a spot to like see everything. I love it.
Very nice.
That was the one thing I asked. I said everything was perfect, but can I see monkeys? Please, monkeys, come and say hi. And a whole lot of them came. Paul was a little scared though, because it's wild monkeys. But I figure as long as you don't look them straight in the eye and don't get too close and from a distance, it's okay. But it was a lot of fun, and they're just crossing back and forth the street. Going in the water, there was like a little baby monkey, and it fell in the water after it was like on its mom. Was it on his mom?
No, he was walking behind, so.
And it fell in the water. It was kind of sad, but oh, nature days are the best.
Look at these.
Look at this wall.
Resting your little patitas.
Tired. It's been like over an hour from the falls walking here. We're still not there.
It should be less than an hour, but we keep stopping.
I can't help it. Everything is so beautiful. After about an hour and a half walk from the falls, we have made it to Katsuoji Temple, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Every place we go, we're just constantly in awe. Like the leaves, the trees are just showing off, and it's so peaceful. There is tons of people, but we're able to find little corners like this where there's not too many, and you could just take in the scenery.
See what fortune we got. This is communal fortune, you and me. Even if you encounter difficulties, you should stay on the right path. By being loved by those around you, your wishes will eventually come true. The battle is meaningful only if we win. And to win, you need to win not alone, but with those around you. To be respected and gain colleagues, there will always be hardships, but now, at this critical moment, the right path. Don't lose sight of the greater good, but don't just insist on your own opinion. It's essential opinions of your colleagues. Don't forget humility. Do not go halfway in anything. It's time to overcome this with the help of trusted colleagues. Unite.